Hello everybody, my name is Mint and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are going to make Uma's room as you requested. Thank you so much for your ideas, love you so much, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. We need foam board for the base of the room, 3 pieces, one piece 8 inches by 6 inches for the floor, another piece 8 inches by 6 for the big wall, and last one piece 6 by 6 inches for the small wall. We also need craft paper, any colors that you like. I chose brown for the floor, wood-like paper for the wall, and green for the bigger wall. Let's add glue to each piece. Then we add the paper to each piece as well. You should have something like this. Using the same craft foam, we make 4 pieces. We add craft paper to each piece. This is going to be the base of the bed. Like this, we glue each piece. You can add details with foam by adding brown all around the sides of the bed. Ending up with something like this. Good job! We cut a second piece of foam board. We add white fabric to the base to make volume. We add a second layer of white fabric or any color of your choice. Last, we add the color we want for the bedroom. I chose green. To hide the white of the base, we glue a piece of the same color we chose for the floor. We add black handles to the bottom. It looks super cool this way. For the pillows, I'm using black fabric and cotton. We glue the fabric and close it. We add glue to each side. We push it to make it really flat. And we cut the excess. ending up with a super squishy and cute pillow. To make the bedroom look better, I cut a couple of pieces to add to the walls and to more parts of the room. Also, mini pictures, of course, of Uma that we are going to place in the room as well. We glue the window. We add the base of the bed and the mattress. Of course, we need a cool octopus in our window. We need a captain, a steering wheel, and an anchor. A cute starfish as well. Let's add pillows. We need a shelf to place our potions. We craft paper, we make a circle. We add tape and we add foam on top to make a table or a chair. Now with the same brown craft foam, let's make a nightstand. We need 4 pieces. We glue piece by piece and let it dry. It is easier that way. We add a middle piece. We cover the bottom part and we add a handle. We place the nightstand. We place the chair. We add potions and details. We need a Uma picture, of course. And more details. I decided to paint the decorations gold. I also painted the white fabric I had with gold paint, let it dry, and I added to the bed as a blanket. And this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. The color scheme is my favorite so far, and I hope you love it as well. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below with ideas for new videos. If you like my channel, also subscribe and be part of the beautiful Mint family. It's free and fun. Don't forget that you're awesome. Love you a lot. and share your pictures with me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Now, see you tomorrow. Mint out. Bye bye.